All right.
I will. I will. And you won't return the call, but at least I know you saw it.
Yeah, man, but I'll laugh, you know? I'll laugh about it.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Thought about that, you know, you kind of figured out this is what I'm going to push. These are the different channels. This is what I do. And I have to say, it's very like, there's a lot on there, you know?
It's
challenging, like killing and eating people.
Kick energy.
You know what? That in itself is weird science.
It is. Here we are 30-some years later.
How to drink coffee.
And
Classic films, like classic drama, or classic horror, or what?
You know, both.
See, that's what you do. You can come up with something on the cuff, and I feel like
Baldwin's career casket.
they do that.
They were
don't
right.
Vaguely inexplicable.
That's because it was 117 degrees last week, and now it's like 7.
Jimmy? It was a puppet, and it would always go, is it made of